Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited to have you guys here today. So quickly let's teach you guys this spike catching strategy, which is an investment strategy you can use to catch spike through the boom and crash. This strategy is a very effective strategy you can use to catch spike, and it's one of the great strategy that can make you tons of money catching the spike in the market. So with that being said, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I put in strategy, you guys will be aware. So I don't want this video to be long. I just want it to be like up to 5 minute time frame strategy. So if you want account management, just contact the number you are seeing on the screen for account management, and you'll be able to assist you how to manage your account trade for you, and then share the profit on this profit has been made. So let's jump into the trade right here. Now, first thing, let me show you guys the settings for the strategy. Now click on the where the indicator is, and we only need two indicators, which is the RSI and the Bollinger Band. Now first, to add this indicator up, click on the main window, plus, click on plus right there, and then search for your RSI. Click on the RSI. This is the properties for the RSI. The period is 11, apply to close, and the levels we need the 90, 10, and 50 levels. That's the level that we need. Now set everything up like this, and click on done. And you see your RSI rise in your chart. Now moving on to the last indicator, not the least. Now, which is the Bollinger Band. Now this is the Bollinger Band properties. Set everything up like this, and then you set everything up like this, then click on done once you set everything up. So this is how your chart is going to look like. Now we are aiming to catch spike. Okay, we are aiming to catch spike. This is boom, so we are aiming to catch spike. Now how do we take note? How do we catch the spike? How do we count the correct spike in the market? I can see a lot of people telling me that whenever you see the price, whenever you see the price coming right here, when it touches the 10 levels, it sometimes touch the 10 levels but not spike, still trending. Why that is happening? This is what I want to correct with you guys today. Now once you wait for the price for the Bollinger Band to touch the 10 levels of the RSI, remember I want to catch spike. Once you see the Bollinger Band touching the 10 levels of the RSI, then this is the second thing you have to wait for. Now you can see this number right here. You can see this number right here, which you can see right here. Now what are we waiting for? We want to see this number right here. You can see we have this 43 dots. You can see the number is reducing. Once the market is moving, the number is reducing. Now we want to see this 4 right here, change it to 0. When you see this 4 right here, change it to 0. I want to see this 3 right here, change it to 5. When it's 0, 5 dot, that is when you are expecting to what? To open your position for a buy. Of course, before it touch the it turn it into the 0.1 dot, it will surely give you a spike. Okay, so as simple as it is, just wait for this confirmation before you take any trade. Use the confirmation before you take any trade. Same thing applicable on the crash indices, but it's in a different type. It's a different type. Right here, what you have to wait for is you want to see it touches right at this area. When you see the Bollinger Band touching the 90 levels of the RSI, next thing you want to wait for is to check the number right here. You have to check this number right here. Now this number right here, you have to wait for it to turn into the at least this 5 right here turn to 9, and this 9 right here turn to 7, which is 97 or 95, at least minimum of 95. When it touch to 95, then the expectation should be expecting to catch a spike. Of course, before it touch it changes to 99 dots, it will surely give you what we want. It surely give you a spike. So as simple as it is, just follow the instruction, wait for this, and then you will be catching your spike with no stress, with no drawdown. You catch your spike. Once you open your position, you catch your spike, you make money on your money, and then you're out of the market. Now remember, catch only one spike with the strategy, or wait for the clinic confirmation, guys, before taking any trades with the strategy. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Just simple as it is. So if you find this video helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. And if I post strategy, you guys will be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.